Hey you guys, literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. We're here to do a quick video on the winner of the Ugly Bunny Black Box giveaway. But before we get into that, I do have a couple things. I do have this month's Rebel Misfit unbagging coming up, and I saw some spoilers on their Instagram, and it is a very cute jewelry collection, so very excited about that. I did also get that shitty Chanel bag, so be on the lookout for that review video coming up, very honest. I also am trying to work on a new series of cocktails that I think are going to be called Coven cocktails. They kind of have like a witchy, spooky theme to them, and I think I'm going to try and film those from the Gothic Farmhouse kitchen. So if I can get that to work out, I think it'll be like kind of interesting. So if you are interested, stay tuned for that. But I know why we're really here. We want to see who won the black box giveaway. If you didn't see the video, the black box is just a bunch of things that I am kind of discarding. We've got like a little Prada bag, we've got Killstar earrings, a Lunar Beauty brush set, some MAC lipstick, all that kind of good stuff. So I want to say thank you to everybody that supported the giveaway. Hello to all of the new subscribers that were sent here from my regular subscribers. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting my tiny little channel. This is just a little hobby for me and doing stuff that I like, showing off the stuff that I buy, dressing up in cute outfits, changing my background. I know I'm a lot. Anyway, let's get to the wheel and see who won this bad boy. Emily, congratulations. I know Emily got a couple subscribers over to me, so she did get her name on the wheel a couple times. But girl, thank you so much for being one of my best supporters. Emily, thank you so much. Well, that's all I have for you today, guys. Short and sweet for you. Thank you for joining me on this wild ride so far. I really appreciate it. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping, life, and giveaway antics, that would be even awesomer. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.